Hi everyone, this is Laksh from India and I have taken part in Alexa's Life Hack Skill Challenge. So I have built this audio player skill called Soothing Sounds, and according to the statistics, more than 90% of Indians and even more than one-third of American population don't get enough sleep. Therefore, this skill can be considered a life hack as it will help the people in attaining a better and deeper sleep. It can also be used during meditation as this skill contains 40 different sounds with each sound of at least 30 minutes in duration. So you can shuffle, you can loop through, or you can even play a specific audio of your choice. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what it does and how to use it. Alexa, open Soothing Sounds.
Soothing sound.
You were listening to Babbling Brook. Would you like to resume?
No.
Starting from the top of the list.
This is the sound of fire, and if you want you can play a specific audio as well. How to do that? Alexa, ask Soothing Sounds to play piano.
This is piano.
Alexa, stop. So just like that you can access the whole list, and there are 40 different sounds. There are many sounds, each one will be suitable for different things. There are white noise, there is meditation sound, and some sounds which get you involved inside the nature. I hope you enjoy the skill, and I hope that it would be useful for you as well. Thank you.